Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digit. I am Albert Raj. In this video, I am going to explain 1's and 2's complement. In digital computer, binary addition is so simple. But binary subtraction is not as easy as binary additions. In order to simplify that binary subtractions, we go for 1's and 2's complements. Now let's see how to take 1's complement. The 1's complement of a number is found by changing all 1's to zeros and all zeros to 1. Now let's see how to take the 2's complement of 1010. To begin with, we can take the 1's complement of the given number. So now we have 0101. Now we shall add 1 with a complemented value. Now after the addition, the final answer is 0110. Up until now, things have been reasonably straightforward. Now it starts to get interesting. There are a few ways to represent negative numbers in binary. In normal decimal numbers, we may simply place a negative sign in front of the numbers to indicate that it is negative. In binary, we don't have this luxury as we are limited to only 1's and zeros. Signed magnitude is the easiest method to represent the negative numbers. With sign magnitude, we designate the MSB bit to indicate whether the number is positive or negative. Usually 0 indicate positive number and 1 indicate the negative number. These 4 rules explain how to subtract two numbers using 1's complement. First rule is find the 1's complement of the subtrahend. Then add the complemented number with the minuend. After the additions, if carry comes, then add the carry to its LSB. Else, takes the 1's complement of the results. Now I am going to explain how to subtract two numbers using 1's complement. In this example, the minuend is 1000 and 1's complement of y equal 1001. Now when we add these two numbers, we get the answer 0001 with a carry 1. This carry should again be added with the sum value, and now the final answer is 0010, which is equivalent to the decimal value of 2. Here we have taken one more example. In this example, we have subtracted 4 with 4. The answer should be 0. Now let's see how we can get the 0. Now the x value is 0100, and when we complement the y value, we get 1011. And now we can add these two values x and y, we get 1111. In this example, there is no carry, so we have to complement the sum once again. Usually for the 1's complement, if the carry is not generated, the answer should be the negative numbers. In this case, the answer is 0, the minus sign is not required. Now let's see how to subtract the larger number with a smaller number. Here the minuend is 67, which is binary equivalent of 100011. And the 1's complement of y is 010111. And when we add these two numbers, we get 1101110. After the addition, since the carry is not generated, we can complement the sum value. Now the final answer is minus 00100001, which is equivalent to minus 17. Similar to 1's complement, we have different 4 rules for subtraction using 2's complement. Now we are going to see the subtraction using 2's complement. Here we have taken two numbers, 8 and 6. In this example, the x value is 1000 and 2's complement of y is 1010. When we add these two values, we obtain the carry. And as per rule, we can discard that carry, and that final answer is 0010, which is equivalent to the decimal value 2. Next, I am going to subtract larger number from smaller number. In this case, I am going to subtract 8 from 6. And as per rule, if no carry is generated after additions, we have to find the 2's complement of the result. And the result will be negative. If carry is generated, discard the carry and take the result, which will be the answer and sign will be the negative. In this videos, I have explained how to subtract two numbers using 1's and 2's complement. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.